Hey guys, this is Henry here again. I posted a video last year, September 2020. I don't want to talk much. Let me just show you guys. Make sure you stick to this video, like watch this video till the end. Do not skip. You will be amazed at what you would see right now. Let me show you this video I posted last year, September on my YouTube. Let me show you. Let's just go. Now listen, pay attention to what I'm about to say right here in this video. Pay attention.
So these are the coins I have so far, as you can see. Now the beautiful thing about cryptocurrency is its ability to always increase in value. Now look at, as you can see, I have, like I said, I have over $209 right now. You see, when I bought all these coins you see here, the amount of money I spent altogether, believe you me guys, if I'm not mistaken, it won't be up to $100 I used in buying all this coin. Like, I think I bought these coins around February, March. Now we are in September. Now you see, from although it took time, although it has taken a lot of time, I know from March till September is a long time, but look at, from $100 to $209, and it will keep on increasing. Do you get? So that's one beautiful thing about holdings, buying cryptocurrency when they are little, small in price, and holding them until when they.
Okay, now I want to show you guys. As you can see, that was last year, 2020 September. Let me show you guys my Binance account right now. Let me show you my Binance account right now. Let me go to my wallet so you see the amount I have right now. It's loading. Let it load. I hope you guys can see that. $4,387. 389 right now dollars from 200 last year September. I haven't bought any other coin. As you can see, these are the same coins that I have. These are the same coins that I have back then. That is what you are still seeing now. So this is just what I want to show you guys. Cryptocurrency holding is the real deal. From $100, which was the initial funding amount, to $4,000 something in the year 2021. Today's date is March 20th. Thank you guys. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, follow me everywhere.